Hi guys, I just finished shooting a video. This is my last video for my With Your series and 11:15 हुए हैं and I just checked Kabir. He's up and he's not making any noise. He's just playing with his pep. I'll just show you. Let's go and see. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Anji. You wanna come? You wanna come to Mama? You're playing with your Peppa? Ajo. So guys, it's 12:20 right now. कबीर ने खाना खा लिया. अब मैं इसको मसाज करने वाली हूँ. He's just lying here. So बस इसको मसाज करके इसको नहलाऊंगी and ये फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा खेलेगा and then इसके सोने का टाइम हो जाएगा. And when he sleeps back again, I'm gonna shoot one another video because I'm all ready. मैंने 2 वीडियोस शूट किए हैं. One for my vlog channel, one for my main channel, this look. And I really want to shoot one more video. I might change my lip color, I'm not sure, but we'll see. This shirt is also looking very pretty. Kabu, you wanna talk? You wanna talk? Talk. बातें करो. करो बातें. So guys, हमारे कबीर भाई साहब नहा चुके हैं. बहुत मज़े करते हैं आजकल नहाते हुए. Because I made him bath in a pool tub now. So बहुत enjoy करता है. He used to enjoy पहले भी but अब ज़्यादा थोड़ा हो गया. And बस अब थोड़ी देर इसको खेलने दूँगी. And when he'll be tired, I'll make him sleep so that I can work on my another video. Lunch मेरा already तैयार है, so I don't have to worry about lunch. और अभी बजने वाले हैं 1. So Kabir slept. I haven't changed my lip color. मैं इसी lip color के साथ shoot करने वाली हूँ because I think it is going with the leopard print I'm wearing, and I just put a little bit of Nourish brown lipstick on it. That's it. So फटाफट से अब मैं shoot कर लेती हूँ एक और video and then I'll have my lunch and I'll just take off my makeup and I'll relax a little bit. So first let's do some work. Oops, Kabir's toys. What's up guys? I'm done shooting the video and oh my god, it's so tough to shoot just under fan without AC and that too like अभी 2 बज रहे हैं. It's like peak hour जब गर्मी सबसे ज़्यादा होती है and it's so sunny outside. I'm dying right now, like it's so hot. Anyways, अब बस फटाफट से लंच करूँगी मैं and I'll rest a little bit and then फिर कबीर जाग जाएगा. I also have to like feed him again. Lots of work. Anyways, the good thing is कि weekend पे there's a prediction of thunderstorm and rain. I hope it rains here. It's so damn hot. So damn hot. Yeah, so for us I'm just gonna change and I'll see you soon. So guys, removed my makeup, did my skincare, had my lunch और बज गए हैं 2:30 and अभी Kabir is sleeping. I think वो 3-3 उठेगा because he slept around 1:15 or 1:30. So I think I have half an hour, so I'm just gonna go there in that room only because AC is running already. So I'm just gonna lie down a little bit. And today's day, abhi tak it was really productive. I did 3 videos without compromising on Kabir's schedule, and also I'm vlogging as well. So all in all 4 videos, 2 for my vlog channel and 2 for my main channel. So super happy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna lie down a little bit. और the good thing is अभी सिर्फ 2:30 बजे हैं, so I still have a lot of day. But I don't think so I'm just gonna work more. I think I'm just gonna rest little, give time to Kabir, and yeah. So guys, it's 3:10 right now, and Kabir just woke up, and we're just lying together in the bed, just chilling a little bit. बस जब भी थोड़ा एक्टिव हो जाएगा, I think I'm just gonna take it to the other room, make him watch a little TV, and also I'm just gonna give him his lunch. Yeah, but तब तक हम ऐसे ही chill करेंगे, है ना? Yeah. Kabul loves chilling with mama like this, just lying like this. No disturbances. Cuddling and just chilling. है ना? Can you kiss your mama? Can you kiss you to mama? Not in the mood. Okay, you wanna clap now? Can you give a kiss to mama? Not in the mood. Can mama take your kissy? Can mama take your kissy? Mama took your kissy. So guys, 5 बज गए हैं, and he wants to come in the video. Yeah. तो बस ये अभी इसने अपना लंच कर लिया था. Yeah, and बस he is playing right now. और अभी ये फिर से थोड़ी सी नैप लेगा. इस बार ये ज़्यादा बड़ी नैप नहीं लेता इस टाइम, थोड़ी छोटी सी नैप लेता, लाइक समटाइम्स हाफ एन आवर, समटाइम्स एन आवर. या तो आई थिंक थोड़ी देर में ही गेट टायर्ड आफ्टर प्लेइंग, एंड ही आस्क मी टू मेक हिम स्लीप. या ही काइंड ऑफ कम्युनिकेट्स, मुझे पता चल जाता है व्हाट ही वांट टू से. सो इसकी मैं आई डोंट नो लाइक, बट मुझे ही ट्राइज टू कम्युनिकेट and I get to know what he's trying to say. What do you want to say? Oh, kiss to mama. Kiss to mama. You haven't kissed mama today. No, no kissy, no kissy. तो बस अब अगर ये थोड़ी सी नैप लेता तो मैं भी थोड़ी साथ में ही लेट जाऊंगी, बिकॉज आई हैवंट टेकन एनी रेस्ट. थोड़ा सा ही किया था, नींद तो नहीं आएगी मुझे, बट इट विल बी अ रेस्ट फॉर द बॉडी, बिकॉज टुडेज डे वाज अ लिटिल exhausting as I made a couple of videos. So yeah, अभी तो ये बच्चा मस्त हो रहा है, मस्त. And guys, I have started brushing his teeth. इसकी 2 दांत स्प्राउट हुए हैं. So I will be shooting a whole video, जैसे कि मैंने की थी कि नहलाना कैसे है, कि आप इतने छोटे बच्चे के ब्रश कैसे करना है. I will let you know. I'll do a video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah. You saying mama? Mama, mom? You saying mama? नींद नहीं आ रही है? Yeah, he's a little cranky now. He wants to sleep now. चलो चलो नींद करे. Yeah, he says mama 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 when he wants to sleep. चलो 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 नींद करे. What's up guys? So yeah, I'm wearing a mask. Oh, मैंने TV mute कर दिया, and that's why he's screaming. It's 8:10. I'm wearing a mask. मुझे थोड़ा सा जुकाम टाइप का लग रहा था, because my nose is actually runny, so I don't want to take any chance with Kabir. So that's why I put on the mask. Yeah. Nothing to worry about as such. Yeah, अभी तो I am feeling fine. अभी मुझे जाके बनाना है dinner. Yeah. So guys, I'm just about to drink this kada. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. It's an immunity booster kada. So yeah, I'm just having it because you know, थोड़ा कभी-कभी बीच में ले लेना चाहिए. We don't want to take any chances. मैंने अभी हैरी को भी दिया and हैरी ने थोड़ा सा कबीर को भी दिया, like टेस्ट करवा दिया. उसकी शक्ल बन गई थी, like देखने वाली शक्ल थी. मीठा है, शहद है इसमें, but still it's like really strong. It has that really strong flavors of ginger, of long, and whatnot. So I'm just gonna drink it. Oh, it's very strong. What's up people, it's 29th of May and it's Friday. Harry's working from home today. Yeah, actually I think they had like a positive case in their office and they were sent home and they were asked to work from home. I don't know for how many days, but yeah, we'll see. Anyways, मैं अभी कबीर को सुलाया है, so now I'm just gonna wash some dishes and then I'm gonna edit my videos. Yeah.